Hello all, welcome to Code Hub. Let us do today's LeetCode daily challenge, and the problem is the convert sorted array to a binary search tree. Given a integer array nums where the elements are in sorted order, in ascending order, convert it to a height balanced binary search tree. The height balanced binary tree is a binary tree in which the depth of the two subtrees of every node never differs more than one. So we should form a binary search tree from the given sorted array, but we have to also maintain the height of that binary search tree such that it is balanced. There are no two subtrees having more than having a difference more than one. We should be maintaining that condition as well. So how we can do this is, since we are having a vector, we cannot consider this minus 10 as root node, and this minus 3 0 5 9 will form the left subtree, because minus 10 is the smallest node. Sorry, this minus 3 0 5 9, it will definitely form the right subtree of this minus 10, and then minus 3 will be the root node, and then 0 5 9 will be the right subtree for this minus 3. And then how it will come is, it will come as a skew tree of right subtree. Similarly, we cannot consider 9 as our root, and then if we want to insert this 5 0 minus 10 minus 3 also, it will come into the left subtree of this 9, and 5, considering 5 as the next root, and then 0 minus 10 minus 3 0 will come up the left subtree of this 5. So this will form a left skew tree. So if we form this skew tree, then there will be no height balanced at all. So what is the case? We have only three cases, like either from the right we can form the root, or from the left we can form the root, but both the cases will give us skew tree. So what we can do is, we can take the middle node. We can take the middle node, and we can form the middle node as the root. This 0 as the root, consider 0 as the root, and this minus 10 and minus 3 will be forming a left subtree of this 0, and this 5 and 9 will be forming a right subtree of this node. Why this is accepted? Because if we consider a middle node as root, then there will be some two then there will be evenly distributed nodes to our left and right subtrees as well. Again, if we go on to next subtree, if we consider a middle node, there will be an even distribution of either 0 nodes or at most 1 nodes. So there will be an even distribution of left and right subtrees, which will automatically maintain this height balanced condition. So that is why we are going to take the middle of this vector, and we are going to form this as the root, and the nodes which are to its left forms the left subtree of this root, and the nodes which are in the right will be forming the right subtree of this root. So how we will be doing is, so we need left and the right to left and the right boundary. So what we can do is, we can have a we can say tree nodes are root. We can say it as form BST. This form BST, this is our function that is going to form the BST. We will be passing the parameters nums vector, and we'll be passing the boundaries 0 and the nums dot size -1. This is the right boundary, right? Nums dot size -1. So after which we will be returning the root. So now we can go for private function. We will be giving the return type of form BST to be tree node star form BST vector int ampersand nums, and the left boundary, this is the left boundary and this is the right boundary. And now whenever we come inside this loop, this is going to be a recursive call. So what we want to do is, we have to define the base condition. Before that, we can write our logic. What is the logic here? We have to find the mid. Since we are having a left and right, we have to find our mid. How we can find the mid? Left plus right minus left divided by 2. Okay. So we have calculated the mid. Now what is our root? We have to create a node. Tree node star root equal to new tree node of my nums of mid. So this is our root now. Now my root of left is going to point from my 0 to mid, which is nothing but my left to mid. Form BST of nums nums left and mid, and my root of right is going pointing to my form BST. This will automatically recursively call and form our roots. Mid plus 1 to my right, and finally we are going to return our root. And what will be the base condition? If my left is going to cross my right, if my left is going to cross my right, then we can just return our null. So this is our recursive call, and we will be creating our tree using this. Hope I made you clearly understand the problem. Let us try to run the code. It is showing some error. Let us see whether what is happening here. Sorry, actually we are considering the current mid node as the root. So we have to eliminate our mid node, right? I have wrongly written as left to mid. We should go from left to mid minus 1 and mid plus 1 to right. So these are the next nodes. We are considered the 0th node, and we have to go from this left till mid minus 1 and then the mid plus 1 till my right. So I think that's the issue causing runtime error. Let us see what is happening. Yeah, it got accepted. Let us use the example test cases as well. Okay, it got accepted. Let us submit our code. Superb, it got accepted. Hope you liked this video, and yeah, let us keep the streak going on, and let us see in tomorrow's LeetCode daily challenge. Until then, bye.